I don't suppose you know what movie we're doing today. It's a bird. We're doing the birds. All my jokes aren't funny. To me, birds are just horrible creatures. Good on you, Hitchcock, for making a f***ing terrifying movie about them. So today we are making a citrus sage roast chicken, because what's better than cooking up your deepest fears? All the ingredients and the directions will be in the description box below. So if you want to follow along, or if you want to just watch and then make it after, you are more than welcome to. We're gonna make my citrus sage roast chicken with roasted Brussels sprouts and chai couscous. What we're gonna start off doing is we're gonna take I've got a 1.6 kilogram chicken. It's usually 1.5 to 1.7. That's important for cooking time, but I'll teach you the formula a little bit later for how we're gonna do it. So you're gonna start off with some paper towel, and you're actually gonna dry off your chicken so that the salt and pepper and the oil stick, because that's what we're gonna start with. Inside the cavity of the chicken, you're going to insert 2 quarters of oranges and 3 stalks of sage. That's going to flavor the chicken from the inside out. It's also gonna steam, so you can ensure that the chicken is cooked all the way through. Jamie Oliver taught me that. Shout out, bro. Anyway, so the cavity is stuff there, you can see. And now I'm just gonna wash my hands. Now the olive oil, I don't know, a few glugs. Salt and pepper. Just mix that around. I'm gonna tuck the wings in behind because otherwise they will burn on their own. So we're gonna hide them from the oven. Our oven is preheating to 475. When we put the chicken in, we're gonna immediately turn it down to 400. And that's so it starts really hot and then it'll go to kind of your gradual cooking temperature, make for a really juicy chicken on the inside. The formula for cooking your chicken is simple. Trust me, it's simple. It is for every 450 grams, you cook your chicken for 20 minutes, and then at the end of all of that, another 20 minutes. So let's say you have a 1.6 kilogram chicken, which is what we have. So that is 1,600 grams divided by 450 is 3.5. So that's 3.5 times 20 minutes, which gives us 71.1. And then that added extra 20 minutes to finish it off gives us a total time of 91.1 minutes. That's how long our chicken's gonna be in. If you don't trust me, use a chicken thermometer, but it works, I'm telling you. I'm just gonna fill the pan with 1 cup of hot water, which I'm gonna pour in, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven. As I said, turn the oven down to 400 from 475 right off the bat, and then start your timer. So 91 minutes for us. Whatever it is for you, if you have questions, put them in the comment section, and I will try and help you out. So to make sure our citrus sage chicken is citrusy and sagey, we are going to add a glaze. This is my favorite part. It makes for a really sticky, gooey skin. So in a bowl, I've got 1/3 cup of marmalade. To it, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And then we're going to cut up 1 loose tablespoon of sage. And I'm going to scoop that in, stir it all together. And then that goes on the chicken. So I had a mini breakdown, panic attack about this show. I feel like an idiot. So now we're making the chicken and I'm still crying. No, no. I love you. I love you. Can you do the rest of the episode? Can you finish it? I'm ready. A little minor minor, what's it called? Technical difficulties. I had a full-on meltdown. This is just residual. I'm happy to be here. I'm thrilled. It's just really hot in the kitchen. All right, we're gonna glaze the kitchen. No, we're glazing the chicken. Whew. I'm just still getting waterworks over here. Okay. I feel like I look like a crazy person. I just had a mini breakdown. But we're all good now, so we're gonna glaze the chicken. Like I said we would. Oh, actually though. Wow, ow, ow, ow. Oh yeah. Can you see how crispy it is even when I touch that? Okay, now I'm gonna put the glaze on that we made. Just put it right on the top to begin with, and then let her find her way down. So now that goes back in for 15 minutes.
Again.
Maybe this is what the birds is all about, you know? You know his leading actress, he had like a weird relationship with her where he scouted her and then they were like obsessed. Like he was obsessed with her but like owned her and wouldn't let her do anything. And then she talks about after how she had to like break up from him, you know, because he was so controlling. He like wanted to cage her. Chicken's ready. Whoa!
Wow.
The fire alarm is going to go off. Look how much is burned. Dear viewers at home, do not use your good pans. I'm going to cover the chicken with tin foil and let it rest a little bit. We're making the gravy. So I'm going to take the chicken drippings. I think I'm going to skim off some of the fat because it looks a bit much. And then I'm going to add in the juice of one orange. I've thought this through. To skim it, pull it down all to one corner, and then scoop off a little bit of the top with your spoon. Try to get only the oil. Leave all the kind of good tasting crunchy bits. So we're done skimming, and now I'm going to squeeze in the juice of one orange. We're going to make a slurry and use that to thicken. It's a mixture of cornstarch and water. If you want to know kind of other ways to thicken sauces, gravies, making an au jus, you can click on this video here and I go through just some basic tips of thickening things, making things thick. I'm gonna add the slurry. It's just a mixture of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a little bit of water, enough to dissolve it. I'm gonna put my drippings on a low heat on the burner, another great thing that ruins your pan. And then pour the slurry in. And you can kind of see right away as it hits the heat, the cornstarch reacts and it actually makes it thick. Yeah, I was in a dark place. I was dark. You know how dark I was? I was dark like Gandalf falling off the ledge going, "Fly, you fools." That's what I said to you, but you stuck with me the whole time. Look at that, Bria.